really grossy. I ain't looking cute at all. Guys, it's Saba. I'm back and we're in a different area. So we moved our TV and moved our couch, and my dad's sleeping, so I don't want to bug him because then he's gonna bug me. You know how it goes. Today, guess what? I got a new camera! I'm so freaking excited. I got a camera. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. So yes, it's not a high-tech camera, but like nonetheless it's a camera, so we good. Basically I'm gonna be using it as a vlogging camera for like outdoor activities and like messy events, so when I do have money to get a nice camera, I'm not gonna completely ruin that one. Are you guys ready? Oh my god. Like guys, I'm gonna have nice quality and have storage to put my videos on. And also, this weekend I may or may not be going to 2 festivals, so you might see that in a vlog. Okay, so because of Utah's lovely bipolar weather, my other festival got canceled and got rescheduled for the 31st, so I only went to one festival, and that was Nightlight's Lantern Festival. I wanted to get it edited this week, but like my life is chaotic and a lot of crap is going down right now. It's gonna be late and everything's late, and I just really wish I had the time to edit all of these. And like I took all the videos on Snapchat on my phone, so like none of them are sending to my computer, and even though I'm downloading it, it's a mess. So hopefully it's out next week. But yeah, I only went to one festival, and yes, it will be out, I promise. One day it'll be out, I swear. Just wait. So this is the FinePix XP140. It's just a waterproof, dustproof, freeze-proof, shock-proof camera, and it has 64 gigabytes of memory, and it has, I just broke it. It has an SD card too. Retail price was like $149.99, I believe. Got it at Costco, and guys, I'm literally so excited. It just comes with a float strap, 2 screen protectors, and an action case. So guys, be ready for frickin' vlogs. I don't know how to open this. Let me go get scissors. Be right back. Scissors are here. I need to stop doing peace signs. It's not cute. Anyways, I'm so freaking excited, guys. Like, I don't want to ruin the packaging. I literally waited 2 days to film this to open it, so you better be happy. Do I just like cut it or what? Does this come? I'm struggling. And yes, I did just come back from school, so I do look pretty crusty right now. I just brought those scissors over here for nothing. Let's hope this opens up.
You're so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
Nope, we still didn't figure it out. Boy, hello? Can you open? How am I gonna be able to return this? What if they don't return it? They are most definitely not gonna return it. Oh my god, I am so stupid. A good thing though, I like the camera, so I don't have to return it. I'm so excited, and then this crap happens. Oh, okay, we found it. Figured it out. Finally. I finally figured it out. Girl, I've been doing this for like 40 minutes, and I'm like ripping apart the whole package. Like, you did not figure it out. You're just avoiding it and ripping it apart like you do with your problems. Hello. Oh my god, it's like 1 a.m. and I'm editing this. I'm just crying of my stupidity. You do not figure crap out. You literally are ruining the package. Thank God I actually like the camera. Otherwise, I would be screwed right now. Also, I look like a nun, so you're welcome. I'm so freaking excited, you guys. I don't even know. Oh my god. I'm gonna have nice quality now. I'm so excited. And yes, if YouTube does work out and span out for me, which I hope it does, I will be getting a different camera, obviously, like more professional, more high-tech, all that jazz. But for now, I'm gonna get this. I'm so excited, guys. Oh my god. Okay, so here's the camera. I don't even know if you can see that, but I'm so excited. Now just to figure out how it works, because I'm gonna be a grandma trying to figure out how it works. Charge it? I have to charge it. Damn it. I really wanted to show you guys. I'm trying to hurry because I have work in like 30 minutes, so trying to quickly film this because I know when I come back from work I'm gonna be too tired to film it. So it just comes in this box that's included in the package. Here it is. Ta-da! 64GB Fujifilm SD card, which is so nice. Just in case, I did buy 2 more. I bought a SD card for my phone, or I can use it for my computer, and then I bought one for the camera, because let me tell you, when you film stuff and you lose that footage, it sucks so much. I hate it. And then it has 2 screen protectors, like that. Manual. And it did come in a yellow color and a blue color. I got the blue color because, I like yellow and all, but, the yellow one just kind of looked ugly. Kind of like you. Product registration.
Lovely. I don't want to do that.
Register this? This is annoying. Okay. I have a little strap, which looks like an old person strap. Also, happy Mother's Day, y'all. I made my, I'll show it to you in a minute, but I made my mom this cute little fairy. I literally spent 6 hours painting it. Don't ask me how, because I don't know how, but it was super cute. Mostly, you can't probably see it at all, but, it's just this cute fairy, I painted. I don't know how it took, 6 hours. I just added a bunch of metallic colors to it, and I was layering on a bunch of paint on this. So yeah, I didn't make it for my mom, but I painted it, and it even lights up. Ta-da! My mom loves fairies, so yeah. Oh, okay. Alright, back to the video. Just a basic strap. Kinda wish it was longer so I could have it dangling off and just it's gonna really suck if I have to return this because I literally broke the box. It has a cute case, which I actually like this clip because then I can slide it onto my pant loops so it doesn't get stolen or anything. This is I don't know, the connector or the plug outlet.
Don't cringe, I know this is bad.
There's another strap for it, a arm strap. I don't even know what this is then. I'm so dumb. It's literally just another arm strap, but it's more secure than the other blue one I showed you because it actually you can tighten it depending on how big your wrist is. And it has more padding so it's more easy to carry. And then this is my camera. I did vlog the festival, which was awesome. I honestly love this because it's just so small and compact. And yeah, back to the video. Here's the charging cord. And it has, what is this? I'm so confused. If I do get an actual camera, I will be so confused using it. It's this other adapter thingy. And then another battery thingy. Oh, Okay, so I'm gonna connect these two pieces and hopefully not lose them. And I'm gonna go charge it so I can go film my other video. Hopefully post it this week, but no guarantees. I figured it out. It is an adapter. I did it. Oh my god, it's like 3 o'clock. Holy crap. I have to go to work at 3:30 and I look like this. So it's a problem because I work with a really cute guy, so I love that. And yes, I did kind of jump into this, but like, I really like YouTube as I've made 3 videos. And yeah. Where? I'm confusion. I would read the manual, but I have work. And I don't want to be late.
What?
What? Okay, so I have the camera. Here's the battery. Here's the adapter charger. This is not a good angle, I'm sorry. Here's the adapter. SD card. I don't want to accidentally break something. Okay, I'm already struggling and it hasn't even been 10 minutes. Oh, it has been 10 minutes and 16 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna read this really quick. I really hope I don't have to return this because it's gonna suck to have to put everything back. But yeah, I just got this at Costco. You can also find them at Walmart for $99. At Walmart, I believe it's the version XP120. Why am I struggling so much? Like, it's literally a camera and bro, I'm so confused. What?
I'm confused.
I'm struggling. Let me figure this out and then I'll come back. Y'all, I figured it out. Are you proud of me? Okay, not that way. I think that way? Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, guys, I'm gonna actually have nice quality, like, videos now. Okay, I got the SD card in after 50 million years.
Oh!
You can tell I don't do anything with technology. Okay, I'm gonna go charge this. That'll take you another 50 years. Okay, I don't know how. I just don't know. Is this it? No, it's not it. What eyelet? Is it this one? Bro, I don't freaking know. I do not know. Your girl is stupid or something. Alright, and then I'm gonna go charge this because there's nothing else I really need to put on. Oh, I should put on a screen protector. I need to hurry. Use a wet wipe, but here we are. I'm too lazy and I'm rushing because I still need to change for work.
So, yeah.
I'm hurrying so much and I can't speak English either, so we love that too. Hey, bitch. Okay. Fuck. Why is there so many? Okay. Oh, got it. Okay, I did it. Oh, Jesus, this is kind of dirty. Oh, JK, that's just me.
Gotta put this on perfectly.
Now I'm just pushing out the bubbles, so yeah. Oh god, I did not plan this right. I'm gonna be late to work. That's great. We love that. I shouldn't have put on the little screen protector because it's really bubbly and it's ugly and it's not cute.
But we're gonna go with the flow! Where'd my dad go?
What I also got was these other SD cards because I cannot tell you how many times I've filmed things and taken pictures of things and it just doesn't save and it deletes and it really kills me and like breaks my heart because like all the effort I put into making that thing for it not to save is a pain in the butt. So I both got these for $11 each. The tag says $17, but it rang up as $11, so I'm not complaining. 64 gigabytes for an SD card. I might put one in my phone and keep with the camera, so if I do ever run out of storage, I can just pop one in and be good to go. But I got two. I may return one if my phone is okay, because my phone has a lot of storage on it, so it literally can't take pictures of anything, and it really sucks. This is and it's by SanDisk, and it's just 64 gigabytes. I got the same one, so hopefully these are gonna be used up, because I still have the receipt, but your girl uses up a lot of storage with photos and videos, because I'm that kid. And then the last thing for this, I guess, camera unboxing. It's not really unboxing because I didn't fully show it to you. I'm running late and I just want to get this filmed and over and done with, because when I come back from work, I'm just dead. Okay, so my dad had a tripod, which is awesome. I literally have no idea where this came from at all whatsoever. Like, I literally don't know. I don't even know how my family has one. Like, we do have cameras, but like, it's never been opened. It's literally in this. So that's sweet. So I don't even have to buy a camera tripod. I couldn't tell you where I got this because I literally don't know. But it's just a basic tripod that folds out like this. I have my camera on charger. So let me go grab that and then we can see if it works out. Like, literally do not rush when you're putting on your screen protector, because now I have ugly bubbles in here. When I come back, I'll just peel them off real quick and then fix it. So this is the hole that the tripod area goes into, so I'm already struggling. Okay. I really have to hurry because it's like 3:10 and I go to work in 20 minutes. So we'll love that. Alright. And then there's just this thing to adjust it. And yeah. So guys, I will have nice videos now. I hope I do, at least. And yeah, this is the camera unboxing. I'm so excited to film awesome footage with this. And the next two festivals I'm going to, which is this weekend, so I'm so excited. I'll have nice footage, hopefully, and it won't be blurry. It's just gonna be good. I'm hoping. Hopefully I don't break this. That would really suck. I need to find like a neck band for it, because I do not want to drop this. That would suck. I just got it. So yeah, that's the video unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. Alright, I know this was really quick. Maybe I'll make a part 2. Maybe you don't care. Alright, love you. Bye.